this morning. I want to mention that another Blood Echo earthquake struck deep beneath Romania with propagation potential southward to the major faults. And we're south of that, a major low is brewing in Egypt. That level storm is usually reserved for their summer months, likely to be flash flood reports from the region, and there is an increased seismic alert at those faults nearby. Hottest water on Earth right now sits around northern Australia. This is why the only two cyclonic systems on the planet are at its northern coastlines. Fair amount of power to those systems. Let's get a closer look at global greening. We have been sharing those releases, and here they've zoomed way in on Yellowstone to demonstrate the change seen in growing season. Now, while the article is about buffalo territory and how the data help them manage the herds, the greening also tells a clear story of the changes ongoing. This planet is getting greener. Up next, we've got SRTM topography with Landsat 8 imagery laying over top of it. The zoom in and flyover animation of the South Georgia Islands is part of the data and observation combination pathway they are using to take their remote sensing of atmospheric and ground-based data points and turn them into something useful, or in this case, just something very, very pretty. Up next, just about the most miserable planet I can think of, where it rains molten iron. Sitting about 640 light-years away, a little skip through our local galaxy, WASP-67 sits hosting a fierce planet that is tidally locked with that parent star, where the sunlight heating vaporizes even the metal, and where it travels to the night side of the planet, it then condenses, cools, and drops as that iron rain. But truly, we've got more than enough objects in our own solar system to study, and that number keeps getting bigger. Hundreds of new trans-Neptunian objects have been discovered. The Dark Energy Survey team was in on